Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we will discuss about how much money do we need to start trading. So firstly guys, I hope you have all watched my other videos. If you have not watched yet, please go to the Targets Trading channel and watch all the videos. If you are liking these videos, please do hit that like button. If you want to learn more about stock market trading, please do subscribe to Targets Trading channel. Okay. So firstly guys, first rule is that we should not take any loan to invest in trading. Do not take any money from the banks or from the people you know as a loan to invest in stock market trading. Okay. So considering that if you are taking any loan and if you want if you thinking that you will make money, you will start losing money and then you will end up in loans. Okay, you should not take any loans to invest in trading. Okay, considering the average income of a person, okay, considering the average income of a person, 10 to 15% of a income can be invested. Okay, for example, if you are getting 15,000, okay, 15,000 as a monthly income. Okay, monthly income. So considering 15,000 monthly income of an average person, so 10% to 15% can be invested depending upon your expenditure, because you will go out, you will spend on food, or you will buy new clothes or something like that. There will be expenditure. You can save that money to invest. You can invest 1,500 per month as per your choice. Okay, as per your expenses. Do not take burden by taking loans or anything by over investing. Do not do that. Please do save the money, and you can invest around 10 to 15% per month. Okay, so before you invest, okay, before you invest real money into the trading, please do invest your time in learning, practicing the trading. Okay, you all know the tricks and tips which we have shared on our videos, so please go through with those videos so that you can practice, you can choose the stocks and start practicing. As you know already, we have targets from point 0.30 percentage. Okay, including, which includes the leverage guys. Okay, this is not normal cash and carry targets. It is with leverage, the targets with leverage. Okay, from 0.3 percentage to 0.50 percentage would be our capital. So considering this, okay, so if you are, so you can have that targets and practice on papers. Do not invest any real money. Practice on papers, choose the stocks and set the entry level, set exit levels with the targets as mentioned in this. So practice as much as you can. Once you think that you are doing good in stock, in trading in papers, so please invest less amounts, not too much. Invest less amounts like 1,000, 2,000, just like that. Okay, do not invest big amounts like 1 lakh, 2 lakh or something like that before learning. Okay, if you are not learning and investing lakhs of rupees, it is waste guys. You should learn first, then start investing the money. Okay, this is how you must, this is how you should start trading and practicing as well. So even if you are investing money, try to learn as much as possible. You can watch the videos of our channel and other channels too to learn better. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day guys. Thank you for watching.